Good morning, YouTube. I've been watching a lot of 2025 trading plan videos in the past week, and I have been wanting to start my own trading journal for this next year anyway. So I decided to make my own video and share with everyone my trading plans for 2025. It's rather simple, just more of the same of what I've done in 2024 and the lessons I've learned. And hopefully I can share that with you and help you with your own trading journey. So my trading plan for this next year is very simple. There's going to be three primary types of trades. That would be one is selling premium, two swing trading, and three dividend income. So my primary trade for 25 will be selling premium and collecting theta decay. And my daily target is to collect 0.1 to 0.3% of my total net lick, employing the 111 or the 112 trades in the ES futures. In addition to that, I'm going to look into putting on some longer term swing trades on equities or ETFs. Depends on if I find something that I like, and I wouldn't mind holding longer term positions on. And lastly, I'm gonna also look to collect monthly or quarterly dividends from some of my holdings. Right now, that's primarily Pfizer, TLT, and then BIL. So we'll see. So here's a quick recap of how I did in 2024. I had a rough 23. I was down quite a bit. And so at the beginning of 2024, I just kind of slowed down, reassessed my current position, scaled out, exit out of, some of my losses, and just kind of take a deep breath and figure out, how I'm going to not try to recover, but just to stay alive and just keep learning. And with that said, I took way fewer trades in 2024 than I have in the past. And I think I have mostly stuck to the 112 and the 111 trade in the ES futures. And I did some also swing trades, some equities, but I feel like those were not important. And I don't want to give people ideas of, what to trade and what not to trade. That's not the point of my channel. I also want to share with you guys some of the key lessons I have learned in 2024. And number one, that's to stay small. Keep your position size small so that if things go south, you can just walk away and not worry too much about it. To me, it's not worth the stress. I'll define my risk, and I can sleep at night knowing that my max loss is defined. And also, you want to have to keep some capital on the side so that when great opportunities present themselves, that you have the capital ready to take advantage of those opportunities. So lesson number two is that no one really knows anything. No one can predict the future. There are a lot of experts, there are a lot of voices, a lot of opinions, but I still listen to a lot of news. I still listen to a lot of podcasts. But at the end of the day, you just kind of take it all in and form your own opinion, form your own thesis, and just look at what's in front of you. The market is still the market, and the market, from what I've learned, doesn't react to expert opinions at all. And that leads me to lesson number three, and that is the market doesn't care about what you think. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have an opinion. I'm not saying that you should not form your own thesis. I still do. But at the same time, I realize that the market doesn't care about what I think. And I don't let my own thesis and my own conviction stand in the way of taking the trade that's in front of me. And the last lesson that I want to share with you is just to not overanalyze things. We all start trade with our own thesis and belief of what's going to happen. But, at the end of the day, once you exit a position, whether or not it was good or bad, it probably has very little to do with your timing, your thesis, or your execution. It might have something to do with that, but don't overanalyze it. Take a quick recap of what you've learned from it and move on. So yeah, that's just a quick video to outline my plan for the year ahead. I try to be as brief to keep this short, but if there's anything in particular that you want me to address, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to address them. I'll also try to journal and do a recap of all my trades for 2025, maybe a weekly, maybe a monthly. I don't know what kind of time I'll have to commit to this yet, but yeah, feel free to ask any question or leave any comment. Thanks and good luck with your own trading journey. God bless.